I'm Chef Shah. Let's make coconut chicken. For the chicken, we're going to need 1 pound of chicken breast, 1 diced onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 cup of water, some salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of butter, and some paprika. Phew, that was fast. Now we're going to take our garlic and then smash it. Smash it really good. Then take our chicken and just cut in some slices. Don't cut them all the way through, just to the middle so some seasoning gets in there. Then we're going to put our salt and our pepper on our chicken. Put some of our paprika and then just start frying that in some butter and some oil. Add in your garlic cloves and get them nice and brown. Keep flipping your chicken and flipping your garlic cloves until they're brown on each side. For the sides, they won't cook, so take some of your oil in a spoon and just put it on top of your sides like this. Keep doing that until it's nice and juicy. Then take it out and set it aside. Now let's prepare the coconut sauce by browning our onions in 1 tablespoon of butter, adding our coconut milk, and then our water. Stir that together until the color starts changing and it gets thicker. Once it gets thicker, add in your black pepper, and then stir that together. Add in your chicken and cover it until it's nice and tender. I served it with quinoa. You can eat it with rice. This is one of my best chicken recipes ever, and enjoy.